How to verify your X or Twitter account. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily verify your X or Twitter account. So let's just get into the video without any further delay. First off, go ahead and tap on your X account or X application. Once you open it up, in order to verify your account, you need to pay a certain fee for your premium subscription. So you basically have to tap on the profile icon at the top left. Then from this pop-up, you can see the monetization tool, but right below the profile option, you have premium. Tap on premium and you can subscribe to different plans. So the first one is basic here. You can edit your posts, post some longer posts. You have background video playback, and then you are able to download videos. But these Grok AI and Creator Hub are locked. With a more premium version, you're able to access the Creator Hub with other additional settings like verification and security. You'll get a tick mark. And then the final one is the Premium Plus, which will allow and grant you access to all of the subscription. So if you want to purchase and you want to have a tick mark, you at least need to subscribe to Premium, because on the basic plan, you don't have the tick mark. So you can just swipe to the right and then find the Premium option. Go to starting at $5, tap on this button, and then tap on subscribe and pay. Now all you have to do is add your billing information over here, tap on subscribe, and you should be good to go. So this is how you basically verify your X account. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.